Hey everyone, it's Sue here. Today I realized that I have not been recording all of my days for preaching to the choir. I'm not sure why, but I did record day 1 and day 3, so I'll post the playlist link below. But I have done up to day 6. So Preaching to the Choir, in case you don't know, was a kit that By the Well for God on Etsy released in January. I love it. I'm not going to go through the pieces with you because I did that in a previous video. But I have been working through it. It's a 14-day study, and I'm on day 6. And it's taken me a month and a half to get onto day 6. Well, just really over a month. Just about a month in reality. So what I do is I will, read about, that day. So this was all on calm, and just it gives some, verses to a song as well, of course, as scripture, and it gives you questions to think about and that kind of thing. So I have done all of these pages, and including up to day 6. And next will be day 7. So that is coming. And then I'm halfway through. At the pace that I'm going, this is going to take me 2 months. It was supposed to take 1 month, but that's okay because I'm doing other things that are equally as important to me. And they're all, glorifying God. And so I'm enjoying everything that I'm working on, this being one of them. So just a real brief review. I was working in this particular journal, and I bought this cover on Etsy from somewhere, but I love it. I love it. This was on January 1st, and this was day 1. I have a video on that, and I also have a video on day 3. So this is the other thing that's kind of odd is, I don't know why, but I did day 3 in a whole entirely different journal, which I suppose isn't the best, but this is it right here. So that was day 3. I don't think I planned to do it here, but I used the study verse on here, which is Psalm 13:5, as well as one of the tabs. So that was day 3. So just to show you where I'm at. So day 2 was all about calm. And oh gosh, how can I calm my life? Right? Sometimes we all get so busy and just, it gets a little crazy, right? It just does. That's how life is. But I think sometimes we have to step back and kind of regroup. And that's what I'm trying to do. So I actually got rid of one of my Facebook groups. It had over 800 members. But I just felt it was time to move on from that particular group. I also deleted hundreds of people from my business group, which actually that group is going to be totally gone as of February 14th. And then I just kind of put some ideas, some plans in place, and I'm slowly moving towards doing this, where I spend time in the morning, creating, and then what my videos will be on with like a small teaching for faith, focus, and art, and just planning better, taking care of my meals and eating more healthy and helping my son with, making appointments for his teeth and stuff. Um, just you can see here, so that was my day 2. That was really amazing. Then day 4 is right here. This is day 4. All I did here was I put a little bit of acrylic paint on the background. I adhered one of the pieces that come in the kit, and I wrote the scripture. I put a little tab up top here, and I just wrote about what I learned from that particular study. This is a tip in from that kit as well. And then day 5 was on hope, and on this page I used watercolor paints. I did not put the clear gesso on this, and you can see how crinkled this page is. Not that it matters, it's just totally different than this page, which has the acrylic paint. This page is perfectly flat, and this one, because of the water, right, it kind of buckled up a little bit. But I used this cute little sticker from the kit here, and then I had some washi, and then I just wrote, basically pulling from this study guide. And I guess my point, like with these 2 pages, it was just more about me getting into the word without, like, because sometimes if you're going to do a study, you can get really involved, right? And it can take a while, which is a great thing, don't get me wrong, but not all the time can you do that. So as opposed to me doing nothing, I decided to at least get into the word this way and focus on that study guide and just basically rewrite certain pieces of it. And this was back on February 2nd, and this one on February 3rd. And this one I also did on February 3rd. So this is day 6. Here's the scripture from that day. This is one of the stickers from the kit, which is, of course, a stained glass window, and it was all about weight. So I just put on here some paints, just real easy peasy. And then I used, which I love these, I am in love with these, the Jane Davenport. These are, I don't know what they're actually called. It doesn't actually say what it is on here, but I love these. I have, I think, 6 of them, and I want to get more colors. I don't know if you can tell, but it actually has glitter. Let me stand up here. It actually has glitter to it. See this? See how shiny it is? I want to see if I can get it better for you. It's really beautiful. Like, look at the green right there. It's just gorgeous. So that was my day 6. I'm trying to use up some washi. And then I'm going to start day 7 right here. And that will be my next Preaching to the Choir video. Thanks, everybody. Okay, have a blessed week, and I will see you soon.